The f was that? Probably the lime juice bottle. Jeez. Didn't know there'd be a jump scare while I'm making salsa. Ooh, golly, it looks pretty. You want to keep? Don't want a chip? Good boy. Have fun. Alright, got a good texture. Look at that. Ooh. That's just how I like it. It's got like a limey, little bit of chili flavor, because I put the taco seasoning in there, and then the burn hits. And I've never done it with pickled jalapenos before. Another thing I forgot to do was roast the onions. Darn it. Oh well, it's still good. This is still really good. Yeah, the pickled jalapenos are really good. I might do it like that from now on. Best thing to do is throw this in the fridge, let it sit for a day. All the flavors marinate together and it is the best. Now I'm wrong-handed, so doing this for the camera with the right hand is hard. I gotta have one more before I put it away. Yeah, that's good. It's very limey. I like lime, so if you don't like lime, a little less than what I did. Hell yeah, we're done.